A quick review of the Truke Gaming Buds. This is a one-step instant pairing product, 10 hours of playtime per charge, quad mics with noise cancellation. But remember, is it worthy as an alternative to headphones? Does this really work as gaming buds? What's the latency like? What did we feel when we tried it out?
When we think of good quality headphones for gamers, buds are usually never in the conversation. Truke, however, is looking to change that with its BG X1 gaming buds. But are they good enough to encourage gamers to drop their love for headphones? Let's find out. The BG X1 buds promise a one-step instant pairing process with a Bluetooth 5.3. This proved to be quite accurate as we had no problem connecting. The sound quality itself, however, was slightly above average, even with a quad mic environmental noise cancellation, which accurately picks up sound waves using AI. The 12mm titanium speaker leaves a lot to be desired, but is satisfactory for its price point. While the promise of cinematic sound with a powerful deep bass wasn't met, the functionality and accessibility of the buds are the real highlight. You can reduce the volume with a single tap of the left bud and increase the volume with a single tap of the right bud. You can double tap either to play, pause, and also press and hold to go back to the previous song. Finally, you can triple tap the buds to activate Siri or your Google Assistant. Another feature that stands out are the RGB lights on the case. Its smooth animations give the product a premium feel. They light up while charging, and every time you open the case, you feel like you're at your own miniature gaming party. The battery is no slouch either, with a 48-hour long battery with 10 hours of playtime per charge. With the case, there is an additional 38 hours. Priced at Rs 1,299, the Truke Buds BG X1 is a good choice for those gamers who cannot afford powerful gaming headsets. While the sound quality is nothing to write home about, the accessibility functions along with its unique RGB look can catch the fancy for those who are looking to make a style statement.